Okay, let's start with the discussion of mental ability math. Set 2. Question number 1. Sequence is given to you. So if you observe the sequence properly, 0, 2, 3, 5, 8, 10, 15, 17, 24, 26. I have to find out the next term in the sequence. तो अगर आप observe करेंगे 0, 3, then 3, 8, 8, 15, 15, 24, तो कुछ बनेगा देखो 0, 3, 5, 7 add हुआ, 9 add हुआ, and it goes on. So 11 is to be added. So next term in the sequence has to be 35. So your answer is 35. Let's go for question number 2. Question number 2 अगर आप observe करेंगे, यहाँ पे आपको दिया हुआ है KM5, IP8, GS11, EV14. So if you observe 5, then 8, then 11, then 14. The next number that's supposed to be there is 17. A, B और D options है आपके पास. C gets rejected over here itself. नेक्स्ट हम चेक करेंगे तो क्या हो रहा है. देखो सबको नंबरिंग दे दो आप. तो अगर आप नंबरिंग दोगे so let's give these numbers. तो आप A, B, C, D, E, F, I, J, K, L. I can observe M. ठीक है. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. सबको एक बार लिख देंगे तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 और 26. तो K आपको दिया हुआ है which is 11, M दिया हुआ है which is 13, then I is given to you as 9, P is given to you as 16. Next, G is given to you as 7, S is given to you as 19. So if you see 13, 16, 19, then expected 22. So V is 22. The next number expected is 25. So 25 is for Y. जिसके अंदर Y होगा वो चलेगा. अब आपका A ऑप्शन गलत हो जाता है. Next, 11, then 9, then 7, then 5, and then 3 will come. So Y will come over here. Now 3 is given to C. So C by 17. So D is the correct answer. Now let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 in series given a 1, 1, 3, 9, 6, 36, 10, 100. तो आप observe कर सकते हैं. What you can observe is it's a mixture of two series, 1, then 3, then 6, then 10. Okay, then the number that we are expecting will be what? 2 ज़्यादा है, plus 2, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, obviously plus 5, so answer is 15. So A is the correct answer. Let's go for question number 4. In a queue, Vijay is 14th from the front and Jack is 17th from the end. Meanwhile, Mary is in between Vijay and Jack. If Vijay be ahead of Jack and there be 48 persons in the queue. So if there are 48 persons in the queue, there are 48 people in the queue, I can say that Vijay is 14th from the front. So Vijay is over here and he's 14th. And Jack is 17th from the end. So Jack is 17th from the end. While Mary is in between Vijay and Jack. So Mary is between Vijay and Jack. If Vijay be ahead of Jack, and there be 48 persons in the queue, how many persons are there between Vijay and Mary? Now you can observe 14 are before Vijay, 17 are after Jack. So in between there will be total 48 minus 14 minus 17. So in all there will be 17 people in between. So if Mary is lying exactly between, so I can say that 8 over here, 8 over here, and this will be the position of Mary. Now the question asked is number of persons between Vijay and Mary. So Vijay and Mary will have 8 persons in between them. So first becomes the correct answer. Let's go to question number 5. Study the information given below. So A plus B means A is the daughter of B. A minus B means A is the husband of B. A into B means A is the brother of B. Now what can I say? If I see P plus Q, P plus Q means P is the daughter of Q. So P is the daughter of Q. Daughter. Next, what is given? Q minus R. So can I say that Q is the husband of R? So R will be the wife. Q is the husband. So I can say that R is the mother. So R is the mother of P. So first is correct. So R is the mother of P. Let's go to second sub question of this. P into Q plus R. So P into Q plus R. So what do I mean by A into B? A is the brother of B. So I can say P into Q means P is the brother of Q. So if P is a brother, he's a male of Q. Okay. Next, Q plus R. So I can say that Q is the daughter of R. So Q is the daughter of R. Okay. So what can I say? Q will be a female. Yes. So what can I say from here now? Relation is P is the brother of R. No. P is the uncle of R. No. P is the son of R. Yes, obviously. So C is the correct answer. That's the third option is correct. Let's go for question number 7 now. P plus Q into R. So P plus Q into R. So again, if you look at the question, P plus Q means P is the daughter of Q. Next, Q, P plus Q into R. So what is A into B? A is the brother of P. So here Q into R. So Q is the brother of R. So Q, if it's a brother, so he's a male. So he will become a father. P is a female daughter. Okay. And R will be the uncle now if it's related to P. So what is the question asking you? P is the niece of R. Yes. R is the uncle of P. Yes. Next, let's go for question number 8 now. So your option 1 is correct. A person starts from a point A and travels 3 kilometers towards B. Okay. Eastwards. So this is eastwards. A, and then this B 3 kilometers eastwards. And then he turns a left and travels twice the distance to reach C. Okay. Travels left. So I can say person was walking like this. Now left will be this for him. You can check by walking. Okay, the direction. So this will be 9 kilometers here. He again turns left. So now if the face is like this, he again turns left and travels 5 times the distance he covered between A and B. So 5 times, which is 15 kilometers now. Now his face is in this direction and reaches the destination D. Okay, the shortest distance between the starting point and the destination. So the starting point and the destination shortest path is always the hypotenuse when I can compare. Now I can say this is 90 degrees, 90. So this would be 9, this would be 3, this would be 12. So obviously 144, 81. This is 15 by Pythagoras. So 15 is the correct answer. Your answer will be B, second option. Let's go to question number 9 now. At what time between 3 and 4 o'clock are the hands of clock together? So what do? Let's understand a clock. So if I draw the clock like this, let's say minute hand will start from here and hour hand will start from here. So it's 3 o'clock, 12. Okay, so clock hour hand will start from 3. So what do I know is in 1 hour, okay, the minute hand will complete whole 360 degrees, which means in 60 minutes, this is what I'm talking about, a minute hand. So in 1 minute, the minute hand will be traveling 6 degrees. Similarly, in 1 hour, the hour hand will move from 3 to 4. So what is 3 to 4? Total 30 degrees, because whole 360 degrees is divided into 12 divisions. So 360 by 12 gives you 30 degrees for each division. So in 1 hour, it will travel 30 degrees, which is 60 minutes. It will travel 30 degrees. So 1 minute, it will travel half a degree. Now, when they will be meeting is nothing but, let's say, at a point over here. And let this point be x degrees. Okay. So what can I say? I can say that the hour hand has traveled x by 2 degrees. Not x degrees actually. Let's say x minutes. So if they are meeting at x minutes. Okay, so what can I say? The hour hand will travel x by 2 degrees. Similarly, the minute hand will be traveling how much? The minute hand will be traveling, this will be by hour hand. Similarly, the minute hand will be traveling this much distance, angle will be this much in that x minutes. So can I say that will be 6 into x? Because 6 degrees for 1 minute, x minutes will be 6x degrees. Now, if I'm saying both of them are equal, that is the angle covered by the hour hand from here to here, okay, that has to be equated to the angle covered from here to here. So can I say that 90 degree I can add to the hour hand? So plus 90 degree, I can equate both the angles. Okay, so over here, if I equate both of them, this will be 180 plus x is equals to 12x. So x 11x is 180. So x will be 180 by 11. That will be how much? If you see, if you divide it by this, you get 170 gives you 16. 4 by 11 minutes past 3. So first is the correct answer. Now let's go to question number 10. In question number 10, if in certain language winter is coded as VHMSDQ, WINTER is coded as VHMSDQ. So if you want to again understand, you have to take down this part. So we'll take it down first. Very important. This part that we have written. So always in the exam, you're supposed to write this part down. Helps you very much in solving. Now, if I understand, W corresponds to 23. Next, I corresponds to 9. Similarly, if I see V corresponds to 22. H corresponds to 8. So from here, if I can understand it pre-handedly, the one letter is reduced. If you see N is for 14. So should be M. Yes, it is M for sure, 13. So further, I'll not check. What I'm supposed to do is somewhere I'm supposed to decode. Okay. So first S. S से पहले क्या आएगा आपके पास R. So you will have R over here. Next हम last से शुरू करते हैं R. तो लास्ट में क्या होना चाहिए? Q होना चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट में R होना चाहिए और लास्ट में Q होना चाहिए. तो आपका सेकंड और फोर्थ ऑप्शन में कंपटीशन है. अब सेकंड ऑप्शन भी सही हो सकता है, फोर्थ भी सही हो सकता है. आप देखो चेंजेस कहाँ पे आपको ऑब्जर्व हो रहा है. तो थर्ड लास्ट में चेंजेस ऑब्जर्व हो रहा है. तो थर्ड लास्ट हम चेक कर लेते हैं. M है तो M से पहले क्या आ जाएगा? L. तो थर्ड लास्ट लेटर इज L. तो थर्ड लास्ट जिसका L है वो आपका करेक्ट आंसर होगा. सो दैट इज 2 वाला, दैट इज B. Now let's go to question number 11. Aflatoxin is related to food poisoning in the same way as histamine is related to. So histamine is related to. Okay. तो अगर हम पढ़ते हैं तो aflatoxin is related to food poisoning, मतलब this is a reason of food poisoning. ठीक है, इस टॉक्सिन की वजह से फूड पॉइजनिंग होता है। तो हिस्टामाइन इज रिलेटेड टू व्हाट, व्हिच इज ऑब्वियसली इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, इसकी वजह से एलर्जी होता है। तो फर्स्ट इसका आंसर आ जाएगा 1। नाउ लेट्स कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. If plus means division, multiplication means this and this. So let's try to convert. So 8, I'll leave some space 6, I'll leave some space 4, I'll leave some space 3, I'll leave some space 4. Now what the question is saying, plus means division. So I'll do 8 divided by 6, then 6 multiplication 4, multiplication means minus, then 4 divided by 3, division means multiplication, and then 3 minus means addition. So if you do BODMAS rule and follow, 8 divided by 6 minus 4. So first 8 divided by 6 gives you 4 by 3, minus of 4 into 3 plus 4. So 4 into 3 gives you 12. 12 plus 4 gives you 12 plus 4 gives you 16, and 4 by 3 minus 16 is, आप बहुत आराम से LCM ले सकते हैं इसका, ठीक है। यहाँ पे आपके पास सॉरी minus 12 plus 4 gives you minus 8. So this is minus 8. So if you take the LCM, this will be minus 20 upon 3. So B is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 13 now. Mr. A, Mrs. B, Mr. C and Mrs. D are sitting on a round table and discussing their trades. Okay, so there's a round table over here. Now Mr. A sits opposite to the cook. Okay, so how many people are there actually? A, B, C. Well, if you see, Mr. A sits opposite to cook. So this is cook over here. Next, Miss B sits right to the barber. So Miss B is sitting right to the barber. So I can say that if B is sitting somewhere over here, B is sitting to the right of the barber. So let's say barber is over here. Okay, so she's sitting right to the barber. The washerman is on the left of the tailor. Okay, so washerman is on the left of the tailor. If tailor is here, sitting like this, washerman is on the left. Okay, Miss D is opposite to Miss C. Okay, so it's very clear. C and D are sitting opposite to each other. So A and B will be opposite to each other. So if A and B are opposite to each other, I can say that B is cook. So let's say cook is over here. Okay, so what I can say, cook के लेफ्ट में बार्बर है, तो कुक के लेफ्ट में बार्बर है, बार्बर इधर आ गया आपके पास। नेक्स्ट हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, अब दो ही है हमारे पास, एक हो जाएगा वॉशरमैन, एक हो जाएगा टेलर। तो टेलर के लेफ्ट में, सो इफ आई से दिस इज टेलर, ठीक है ना, तो टेलर के लेफ्ट में वॉशरमैन है, तो वॉशरमैन हो जाएगा। तो हम यहाँ से क्या क्या बता सकते हैं ए और बी के ट्रेड्स के बारे में। ए हमारा टेलर हो जाएगा, बी हमारा कुक हो जाएगा, तो सेकंड इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट लेट्स गो फॉर 14th क्वेश्चन। 14th क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है शूट इज टू गन देन ईट इज टू व्हाट। शूट इज टू गन मतलब गन को चलाते हैं, तो गन को चलाते हैं तो किसको खाते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली फ्रूट को खाते हैं। So fruit is the correct answer. So this is the end of the discussion of your math paper 2.